There's a message here from JVB. Matagal mo ng message to, my dear. Miss Chris, what is in your bucket list? My dear, wala na akong bucket list. Dati, nung bata-bata pa ako, meron akong bucket list. In fact, kasama ang having a radio show, radio program sa aking bucket list. But I think 10 years ago ba, I stopped having a bucket list. So JVB, thank you so much for sending this message. I'm now open to life surprises. Ayoko na maglagay ng parang nung Sunday, I was so ready to have our episode, pero walang internet. May mga times na, sabi nga, hay nako, people, human beings, we plan, and God laughs. And it's true. It's true. Marami mga tao na nagplano ng ganito in this particular year in their lives, but it never happened. Why? They got sick? Or somebody got sick in the family? Or they were taken by the Lord already? So wala na akong bucket list. I am open to the spontaneity of life. Yon, my dear. Salamat sa tanong, ha? But thank you, really. And I'm sorry if it's disappointing na somebody like me doesn't have a bucket list.